Hi, my name's Tom from EventsAir, here to show you some of the communications and reporting tools that live within EventsAir. So our customers love EventsAir because at essence, it's a people management platform. And what is event management if not people management? It's the communication and management of a huge amount of stakeholders, speakers, sponsors, exhibitors, and of course your attendees. And what EventsAir does is it gives you a very flexible database, a single source of truth to track and manage all of that, which then ultimately allows them to report and communicate effectively to those stakeholder groups. So as you can see here, I'm looking at an individual contact's record in EventsAir. This is Sophia. We can see her registrations, her agenda items, the functions, and all the communications and profile information we have about her. And think about that at scale for thousands of attendees at my conference. What that allows us to do is very quickly and easily report on and or communicate to attendees at scale in a hyper-personalized way. So let's have a look at what that looks like. Heading over to the communications panel, this is where we can build out all of our merge docs to essentially your template emails. And probably more importantly, set and forget all your communications that you need to go out as part of your event. So as an example, I want to set a communication to go out on a Thursday at 10 a.m. to everybody who's going to my gala dinner or function. Put in the details of that reminder, and I can go and put personalized content into a HTML, plain text, or even a text message or app notification. The real magic here is the ability to filter down. So as an example, I'm only going to target people who are going to my gala dinner. Or better yet, I might only want to target people who have bought a ticket to my gala dinner in the last week. Or even deeper than that, people who have bought a ticket to my gala dinner who are yet to pay. The filtering within EventsAir gives you a whole range of different tools to really hyper-focus in. You create the target audience by setting filters. The system will create the list for you so that come the 28th of the 1st, that email goes out automatically and it checks the list and sends that for you based on it being your source of truth in that point of time. So reminders are great. Probably more powerful are the set and forget communications. So another example here is a payment reminder. I want this to go out to everyone who's yet to pay us any money. I can set a filter based on payment status. So let's go in and do that now in the financial module. Anyone who owes us money in any module is going to be our filter. I can create a nice personalized communication saying, Madam Sir, please click this link to make payment. Where this gets really cool is I can set recurrence and have this going out weekly on a Monday for the next 8 weeks. And the system will send that out every week, but it's checking the filter before it goes out. So that target audience will update week to week, and if someone's subsequently gone in and paid the week before, it'll drop them out of the list. And ultimately what that allows us to do is to ensure the right thing's getting communicated to the right person at the right time. And our really successful planners will actually plan out many, many communications well in advance of their event and know that the system's taking care of things as it goes along. And of course, in the heat of battle, when events are getting very close and things are changing, we can very quickly and rapidly send out ad hoc communications as we need to. Room changes based on who's registered for sessions, or updates to the function based on who's coming to the function, but can be very quickly and accurately actioned by planners on the go. Touching on reporting, a lot of those elements of what I've talked about flow over to reporting as well. Clients love EventsAir because it allows them to create reports. We have about 120 off-the-shelf reports, but planners can tailor these and customize these with filters so it shows the exact piece of data that they want to. So as an example, I just want a attendee list summarized for my client. I can then go and filter that. Maybe that's only my member registrations versus non-members, or perhaps it's unpaid delegates for someone to go and follow up on. Those filters are really the power here because they allow us to create a very specific target audience, save that filter, and then have that report running as needed for our stakeholders. What's better? I don't have to run that report every week. I can create a quick report and give a secure link off to that stakeholder so they can click on it and run that report whenever they need it on demand and know that it's up-to-date data when they click it. So that's a little bit about EventsAir's reporting and communication tools. Hopefully it helps you see a little bit of the power that our customers really love around communications and reporting. Be sure to check out some of the other videos. There's some great stuff in there as well.